Installing the core filter. Slide the core filter into the core with the grill facing up. The filter will click into place when properly installed. The core filter should be replaced about every 8 months. Installing the pre-filter. The SoClean Air Purifier comes with 2 pre-filters. You will install one and save one for future use. Turn the core over so the Celios logo is facing down. Remove the back panel at the bottom of the unit. Slide the pre-filter into place with the arrows pointing toward the top of the core. Make sure to push the pre-filter completely into the core so that the back panel can fully close. The pre-filter should be replaced about every 4 months. Installing the carbon filter. The SoClean Air Purifier comes with 2 activated granular carbon filters. You will install one now and save one for future use. Important: the core should be removed from the main stand when installing or removing the carbon filter. Remove the carbon filter tray from the main stand. Place the carbon filter into the tray as shown. Slide the tray back into position in the main stand. The carbon filter tray will click into place when properly installed. The carbon filter should be replaced about every 4 months.